When a team cannot cope with the pressure of being with one player more and play at home, and the stadium doesn't accept the team to control the game, we want the team to win it. I think we couldn't cope with that pressure. For them was easy, 10 man, defensive organization, 2 lines of 4, Cavani in attack, long balls in counter-attack, waiting for the right moment for a free kick, for a corner, for a mistake. But mentally, I think for them is nothing to lose. And they were experienced, they were good, and I think we deserve to be punished with this draw defeat. It's not time to cry. It's not also time to laugh. It's time to analyze the situation and to come here next Sunday, and in the same stadium. We were not good enough to win today. In the same stadium, the same players, they have to go to the pitch on Sunday and give one more step to win the Premier League, because if we win the Premier League and the Capital Cup, the season is still a fantastic season for us. But I spoke with him after the game. When he speaks with me, he's always honest, and he would tell me if it was a reason for a red card, and he was very disappointed. If that's the case, because I didn't see on television, if that's the case, I hope they can minimize the mistake and let him play the quarterfinal, because if he did nothing wrong, he deserves that.